Let's see the first numerical. An object 10 centimeter in front of a convex mirror. Okay, so what is this 10 centimeter? It is object distance. So we have object distance 10 centimeter forms an image 5 centimeter behind the mirror. Since the image is formed behind the mirror, so it is a virtual image, and for the virtual image we will take image distance as negative. Q is equal to minus 5 centimeter. So Q is equal to minus 5 centimeter, and we have to find the focal length of the mirror. Okay. Now we will apply the mirror formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon p plus 1 upon q. In the next step we will put the value of p and q, which will become 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon minus 5 plus minus minus, which will be equal to 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 5. We will take the LCM of 10 and 5. What would be the LCM? 10. Okay. In the numerator we will write 1 minus 2 upon 10. So 1 upon f is equal to minus 1 upon 10. F is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. 1 upon f is equal to minus 1 upon 10. Cross multiplication. 10 is equal to minus f, or f is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Now let's see another one formula. An object 30 centimeter tall is located 10.5 centimeter from a concave mirror with focal length 16 centimeter. Where is the image located? Okay, so here we have an object height represented by HO, which is equal to 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter tall means object height. It is the height of the object. Is located, location of object represented by P. So we have P is equal to 10.5, we have HO is equal to 30 centimeter, and F is equal to 16 centimeter. We have to find the image distance Q, and then we have to find the height of the image HI. Now here we have HO 30 centimeter, P 10.5, and 10.5 we will convert it into fraction. So which will become 10.5 converted into fraction, which will become 105 upon 10. So which will be equal to 21 upon 2. We have focal length 16 centimeter. We have to find Q. We will apply the mirror formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon p plus 1 upon q, and which will become 1 upon q is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon p. We will put the value of f and p. So 1 upon q is equal to 1 upon 16 minus 1 upon 21 upon 2. Okay. So 21 upon 2 will become 1 upon 16 minus 2 upon 21. Reciprocal. It will become reciprocal. 2 upon 21. We will take the LCM of 16 and the 21, which will become 336. You have done in the mathematics. Okay. So 21 minus 32 minus 11 upon 336. So here minus 11 upon 336 is equal to 1 upon q. We will solve it further by cross multiplication. 336 is equal to minus 11q, and q is equal to minus 336 upon 11, which will become minus 30.54. Okay, so the nature of the image will be virtual and erect. Now here we can find the image height. Apply the formula, the third one formula. HI upon HO is equal to Q upon P. So HI is equal to Q upon P multiply HO. Okay, so HI is equal to, what is the value of Q? 30.54. Okay, divide 10.5 multiply HO. What is the value of HO? 30. Now you have to solve it by yourself. Okay, you have to solve it by yourself and find the answer. 30.54 divide 10.5 multiply by 30. Now, let's see the numerical 12.3. An object and its image in the concave mirror are of same height yet inverted when the object is 20 centimeter from the mirror. So here we have P is equal to 20 centimeter and we have to find the focal length of the mirror. Okay, in the data it has been given that P is equal to 20 centimeter and we have to find the focal length of the mirror. Now listen carefully. It has been written in this numerical, then object and the image height are same, means HO is equal to HI. Okay, if HO is equal to HI, then M is equal to HI upon HO and the value of the M would be equal to 1. If HI is equal to HO, then the value of M would be equal to 1. Now apply the another one formula. M is equal to Q upon P. Put the value of 1, we know the value of 1 is 1. Put the value of 1. So 1 is equal to Q upon P. Okay. Cross multiplication. P is equal to Q. So if HO is equal to HI, then it means P is equal to Q. Okay, we have proved it. So we know that if image height and object height are same, which has been written in this numerical, it means P is equal to Q. Now, it means here it has been given that P is equal to 20 centimeter, then Q is also equal to 20 centimeter. As we have proved it, P is equal to Q. So if P value of the P is 20, then the value of Q is also equal to 20 centimeter. And we have to find F. Now, Q is equal to 20. So when P is equal to Q, so when P is equal to 20 centimeter, then the value of Q is also equal to 20 centimeter. Now apply the mirror formula. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon P plus 1 upon Q. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 20. 1 upon F is equal to 2 upon 20. F is equal to 10 centimeter. Now 1 upon F is equal to 2 upon 20. 2 ones are 2. 2 tens are 20. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon 10. Cross multiplication. F is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. Find the focal length of a mirror that forms an image 5.66 centimeter behind the mirror. It is the virtual image. Mirror of an object placed at 34.4. So here we have the object distance, which is 34.4 centimeter. The image distance Q is equal to minus 5.66. Since it is a virtual image, because the image is found behind the mirror, as it has been written in the question, the image is found behind the mirror. It means it is the virtual image, and we know that we have read that in the virtual image, we will take the value of Q as negative. Okay? So we have to find F. F is equal to question mark. Simple, we will apply the same mirror formula as we have read in the previous class. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon P plus 1 upon Q. Now listen. Apply the same formula. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon P plus 1 upon Q. Then in the next step we will put the value of P and Q. 1 divided 34.4 plus 1 upon minus 5.66. 1 upon F is equal to 1 divided 34.4 minus 1 divided 5.66. We will divide 1 by 34.4, which will become 0.0290 minus 0.1766. Okay, we will subtract these values, which will become 1 upon F is equal to minus 0.1476. This means upon 1. We will solve it further by cross multiplication. 1 is equal to minus 0.1476 F, and F is equal to minus 1 upon 0.1476, which will become F is equal to minus 6.77 centimeter. Now thank you very much.